Do some trading. Mr. Scott Bauer joins us, CEO of Prosper Trading Academy, a.k.a. Scott Kringle. What's up? You looking for that Santa Claus rally, Scott?
I'm trying my best for all your viewers, for all my, I want that Santa Claus rally. So I'm giving it my best shot.
I like it. You said you were wearing a Santa hat. I'm not sure that's a Santa hat, Scott. That's something different entirely.
I think I got it from Will Ferrell from the movie.
There you go. That's right. That's where I know it. All right. Well, hey, I'm liking the sweater. That's pretty fly for sure.
Awesome. Once a year.
I love it. All right. So we got to be getting bullish, right? You can't be selling calls on a consumer vacation stock when you got the Kringle outfit going.
No, not at all. But what I am doing, Oliver, is I know that the expectation for 10% move or so. But to me, this is a stock that literally can be $4, it can be $12 in a heartbeat. So I'm going out about a month, and I'm buying a strangle. I'm buying both a put and a call. $7 put, $9 call in January. I can do that for less than $1. I can do that for 80, 85 cents, somewhere right around there. And what that gives me is a break even down at 620. Or up at 980 at January expiration. So I am looking for a big move. I'm giving myself some time. I rarely do this kind of trade because, typically going into earnings, we get high volatility, expensive. I actually think, though, from a dollar standpoint, this is a very cheap trade, just looking for a big move. And I know what I can lose, right? If the stock doesn't move at all, my 80 cents is my investment. That's what I can lose.
All right. I like it. So you're betting on something exciting here for Carnival. And it's interesting that you like the strategy even when the market's already expecting a pretty big move.
Exactly. And I'm not using this week or even next week's options. That's why I want to give myself some time going out a month. And I actually think that the almost 4 weeks of time that I have here, or 4+ weeks, for 80 cents here, which is, 10% of the stock price, but for 80 cents here, I just love this opportunity. And you know what? If Carnival doesn't move on earnings, I'll have the ability to get out of this if I wanted to exit the position for a small loss. So I like those odds. I like that opportunity here. And again, I normally don't really, put on this type of position of just a long strangle. I'll usually sell something against my long position, but in this one, I think it's too cheap. Okay,
interesting. So the double-digit percent move, looking for a little bit more over time. I will say that the stock went 70% last month. So, I mean, it doesn't seem like you're that out of the realm of possibility, just based on the past year. We were at $24, and now we're trading in a single-digit range. So, I mean, thing is bananas.
Absolutely. I agree. And again, good news, bad news, I don't care. I just want this thing to move either way. And if it doesn't, I'll lick my chops and we'll just hope for the Santa Claus rally.
All right, there it is. A festive Scott Bauer. Thank you, sir. I see you got your little assistant behind you there as well. Yeah.
Got it. Always.
Nice. All right. Appreciate the trade, Scott. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. All right. He's the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy.